Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this little guy right here is a 1969 Charger.
Well, it's not that little.
No, it is actually a big Mopar, and it's a beautiful big Mopar. This car is very true to the trim tag and has a matching numbers engine, which is a 383. It's got these, which you love these, and I love them too, the hood markers.
Yeah, the markers in the hood are my favorite.
They are. It's got a heavy-duty automatic transmission. It's got the top color, which is bright turquoise metallic. This is the top interior you can get, which is a white turquoise mix. This is a factory AC car, which it still has AC. It's got the little vents in there. You know, Mopar, I said it before, and I keep saying it now, I'm just always impressed with their, I mean, look at that, working clock. I mean, it's a very nice dashboard. I just love it. It's very nice. I've always liked these cars from our days in the Dukes of Hazzard, you know, loving that. But my God, these cars are just beautiful. Interiors are great. It's got a nice trunk with lots of extra stuff for you guys.
Extra stuff. You got the floor mats down there and the big old spare tire.
A real spare tire.
The filler neck is like brand new looking, so is the jack and all the tools. Even the inside of the fenders are all nicely painted. Like it looks pristine in here, which is awesome. Looks like got some sound deadening up there. Bottom of the trunk lid is painted perfect. Doors open and close nice. Trunk closes nice. And the color combination is awesome.
It's the best.
I mean, you have the blue paint and the white vinyl that kind of goes with the two-tone interior with the blue and white on the seats. And this white vinyl is awesome. Very 60s. Charger badging on the side. White door panels, because why not?
Oh,
even the jams are all very nicely painted. It looks nice just everywhere.
It does, and the engine bay does not disappoint.
No, it doesn't. Even the lights work on the side when you got the doors open, dash, seats, all look immaculate. And yes, this is where the magic happens.
It is. It's a little 4-barrel 383, a little. It's a big block. Look, there's a distributor cap up front.
Hey, look, air conditioning.
And air conditioning, which is really cool for this car.
Even the engine's painted blue.
They did it right.
They did do it right, and this car sounds really good.
Oh yeah, it's just cool looking. You don't see these like this. I love it. Shall we start it, Jake?
Let's start it.
Let's start it.
This color is so cool.
Hood flashes work.
Oh, do the left-hand blinker. I want to see if I can see the flasher.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see it. Plain as day. You can see that one too. Or I can with the naked eye at least. Man, it sounds good. And I also love the filler cap on these cars. Nice and chrome. Just awesome. I'm hopping in.
Hopping in.
Oh man. Oh, you need your microphone.
Microphone.
You do need that. It's important.
It is important.
Here we go.
Well, these were kept really
the
nice.
doors worked great on the headlights.
Cool.
Brights worked, blinkers worked, the blinkers in the hood work, which is my favorite thing ever.
Which is really cool. Well, for such a long car.
I know. It's really nice at night when you can see that your blinkers are functioning. Plain as day.
Driving this car anywhere at any time is always encouraged.
Yes.
Boy, I sure like this Mopar. Oh, I love the steering wheel too. This is cool. It does have the light package. They called it back in the day.
All the nice gauges, although oil pressure was moved down there, that one right there. We do have great oil pressure. You can see the gauge down here below. You And we got a tach that was also put down there as well. But then the factory Mopar gauge is up here. You got your wiper and your washer button, and then over there is the button for the lights that Chris used in order to show us the awesome hideaway headlight doors, flashers, panel lights and stuff over there. Here you got the Chrysler, or sorry, Dodge. All transistor radio.
Oh, nice.
I believe it's just AM, it looks like.
AM.
Who cares? You're going to be listening to a 383 the whole time.
Oh, it drives nice.
It really does.
Oh, and look at this. It's got the night and day.
Oh, the night and day on the mirror. Never figured out or researched what that actually does.
It kicks the lights from behind you, down or up. This is just really cool.
Nice headliner, too. More white. I love the white. White on this blue color. It's just one of the coolest. It's like a pimp mobile.
It's a great combo, and it is a pimp mobile.
Very 60s.
Very much so. And the turquoise just, oh my God, it's so bright.
And the condition of the paint, too, is just immaculate.
Yes.
Like I was showing, the door jambs are all perfectly, like, painted. They didn't miss a single spot on this thing.
They kept it true to the trim tag, and that is always something I appreciate a lot more than throwing a elephant in there.
Because this is the factory colors for the interior, the factory paint, everything. Numbers matching engine.
Yes.
Fantastic.
This is a well-optioned car for $69. I mean, AC.
AC.
That was rare. I know people who are sitting at home younger are going, what do you mean AC was rare? They never put AC in these cars.
No.
It was a big, expensive option at the time.
The dashboard is in great condition, too.
Oh, God, yes.
It's not cracked or anything anywhere.
Split. You know what these are? Non-droopy visors.
Yeah, they don't droop in your face. They're nice and taut up against the ceiling.
Taut like a taiga.
Taut like a taiga. Oh, look. An ashtray that looks
like it's never been used.
It looks brand new. But you have a cigarette lighter in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids.
Don't do it.
Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
Now you do not have a rear view or a side mirror, which is fine. I've got that and that, and I'm the driver. So what do you?
But I have a corner window.
Love it.
That I can open if I want to have some nice fresh air.
And we always do, but it's a gorgeous day here in the Midwest. So
yeah, it's about 74 right now.
God, we're great.
It's going to get a little warmer, but yeah, it's immaculate outside today.
People used to flick their cigarettes out here. I'm not saying it was right.
I'm going to turn on the max AC.
Max.
You got the temperature there you can change. This is the fan. You can turn, oh, the fan's on. It's blowing. Oh, wow, it's actually getting kind of cold.
Nice.
Very nice.
And this isn't vintage air, ladies and gentlemen. This is factory air.
This is air conditioning from the 60s. And it's functioning.
Yeah, it is. Actually, I feel it. My legs are getting cold.
It's more impressive than having it is that it's actually working.
Whoever put it together, hats off to you.
Hats off.
Really good job.
I feel like Mopar guys specifically are really particular about how their cars are.
They are. They like the Mopar guys are the most well-researched, well-educated about their car brand than anyone else so far.
I think part of it is because they had so many options, color options, interior options, that like you kind of have to know what you're looking at.
I can't get over this
research.
AC.
God, it's getting freezing. It's actually freezing cold.
I'm blown away. I'm really happy though.
Yeah, to be honest, I wasn't convinced this was going to work. I had not even tried it yet until this moment. It's freezing cold.
I like when we do this on the road.
I'm turning it off because it's getting cold in here.
It is chilly. Maybe it's because
it's a cool blue color.
Oh,
the AC works
that's
better.
exactly what it is.
All right, bean test. Oh, a little bit of tire
Holy cow!
Skirted the tires a little bit.
Well, it's got 323 rear gears with, what is it, Sure Grip for the Mopar folks. Positive traction for our Chevys.
Yeah.
Track lock for our Fords. But wow, this is a great car. What's the oil pressure stay down there? Is it 40?
50.
50, okay.
Yeah.
So this one is off a little bit. That's nice secondary gauge, but your temp gauge looks right. Alternator looks right. Fuel gauge looks great.
Oil pressure up there, alternator, temp, fuel, like you just said. A little bit on the dash, which is nice.
There's my lights in here working. There, you can't really tell it's real bright, but the hood light, there it is. I can see it blinking.
Yeah, the blinker is on the hood.
It's hard to see in the camera, but yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, that's why I showed it when we were doing the walk around, so I get up close.
This is an excellent car.
It is excellent.
It really is. I mean, you can kind of tell if I like something or don't like something. I like this.
These seats are plush too.
Well, they're deluxe.
They're super comfy.
Top color. Boy, this is a nice car. You know what? Whoever buys it's really going to enjoy it.
I think so. But for now, I want to do a couple flybys so you can hear what it sounds like.
You absolutely should. I'll take your microphone. There he goes. Beautiful car. 383 car. Numbers matching car. Transmission's the A727 Torqueflite. It's got 323 rear gears with sheer grip, and honestly, it's a great cruising car with 323s. I don't mind that at all. And it's got 3-speed automatic transmission, so you don't want something 373 or 410. It's just gonna be it's gonna be loud all the time. This engine's, that's probably why it's numbers matching. They put it together correctly. Ah, God, it's a nice car. Yeah, you can tell what I like and don't like. I like a lot. And I was never Mopar, ever. Sounds great. It's not missing, just beautiful. Whew, sounded great.
You know, something we didn't mention on our drive.
What's that?
The steering and the brakes are fantastic.
Oh, God, yeah.
Like, this is way tighter than normal cars from the 60s feel.
And it's power steering.
It is power. Is it power brakes?
No.
They feel good.
They feel like they're brand new.
Tell,
they're drums all the way around.
I couldn't tell whether they were manual or power when I was getting on them. They brakes in a solid straight line.
And you don't feel like you're gonna, oh my God, what do I gotta do? No.
Yeah, no, they work fantastic. Yeah, and plus you have one of the coolest color combinations you could get on a Mopar.
Love the headrest. That also was an option.
Yeah, I don't think you can beat it.
It's a deluxe interior. Honestly, this is one of the best Mopars we've driven in a long time.
And it sounds good.
I love it.
I know.
I seriously do.
You ready to take it back?
I guess.